Hi, I'm Sam with HotSpring Spas and Pool Tables 2. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your High Life model hot tub when it's going into protection mode.
This should be easy as 90% of all hot tubs that go into protection mode are caused by a dirty filter, of which prevents the proper water flow to the heater. This is a super easy process. If you have a High Life model with 3 to 5 filters, you will remove the filter with the gray cap. If there is not a gray cap, it is the filter stand that you can put your finger into, as shown here. This is the filter that goes to the circulation pump that is working 24/7. Simply remove the filter. Leaving it out, turn off the breakers at your sub panel. Leave the breakers off for 20 seconds. Turn the breakers back on while leaving the filter out. This should reset your heater and your hot tub back to normal. Do not put the filter back in without cleaning it or replacing it with a new filter. Please watch our video on how to properly clean filters. This will not only be a super easy way of maintaining your hot tub, but will also give you peace of mind.
I hope this video helped resolve your protection mode issue. If not, please don't hesitate to reach out to our service department and we can get it resolved for you. From everyone here at HotSpring Spas and Pool Tables 2, I'm Sam, and thanks for watching.